मोहतरमा ज़किया शाहनवाज साहिबा।
Thank you, Chairperson. Thank you so much. First of all, I just wanted to say a few words, and those are, I would first like to welcome all the dignitaries from Islamabad and Lahore to be present on this very special day on minorities in the Punjab Assembly. And I'm really grateful for their attendance here. It gives encouragement to the minorities and to all of us with their presence. Thank you so much, and we welcome you all. I would like to say that it's a great day today. We've had great men and women in minorities who've been a part of Pakistan and who've left examples. We had people, men and women in the judiciary, we've had in education, we've had in social welfare, and we've had that great lady who lived in Karachi and who served leprosy when nobody would not go near the lepers afraid because they felt that it was such a disease, if somebody caught it, it was not curable. And I remember all the hill stations, whether they were in Pakistan and even in India, there were a lot of lepers who were sitting on the roadsides. And with her work, with her extensive labor, with her commitment, today I see no lepers in Pakistan. I think as lepers have been cured, I hope and pray that one day we have no polio cases in Pakistan either. We should work hard, strive together, and we will inshallah achieve very good results. I wanted to also say this, that I studied in a missionary school, and I've grown up with the minorities. My childhood, my making of those very tender years where you learn and when you sort of experience and when you're taught was spent with the missionaries. And we had lovely teachers who taught us all the principles, way of life, and they taught us, they educated us, and with education, they taught us how to live our lives. And I'm grateful to all my teachers, to all the missionary schools in Pakistan. There has been a great contribution in education. I still say that these schools should be functional, they should be here, because until and unless we don't have full proper education for the girl child, for the male child, Pakistan will not be able to progress fast. Education is the key issue to all problems that we are facing, whether it is health, whether it is population, whatever it is education which is going to resolve. And the greater part has been also played by the minorities. I would also like to say that I would like to say that the minorities they need full protection. If the importance of minority you can see in the Pakistan flag. The flag is not complete when we do not have the white in it, and the white is very special for the minorities. In our religion also, as it has been said earlier, that protect the minorities, they are your equals, and you have to give your message, but if somebody takes the message, fine. If not, give them their way. You go to your religious places, they go to their religious places, and you should not be able to upset anybody's rights. And over the years, there have been incidents in Pakistan. I'm sorry to say those incidents should not have taken place. If they were protected, I don't think so it could have happened. They've happened here, they've happened in our neighboring countries where minorities' rights have been taken away and they've been harassed, they've faced very severe problems which I feel could have been protected. But what has happened in the future, I feel that we should rectify our mistakes We should rectify what we were supposed to do and we have not done. But in the future, we should secure their rights, their places, their education, their systems, and they should be given equal rights and should be treated as equal, not as minorities, because we are one nation. We stand by one flag, under the one flag, and whenever there's a crisis, we all stand by together. So in every way and manner, we are one, and we should be solid and stand together for all times to come. I really congratulate the javelin throw player who has achieved a gold medal and has earned a name. But it is not only the gold medal, it is a message to all youth of Pakistan that if you are determined, if you work hard, you can achieve anything in the world. You can achieve the Mount Everest, you can get a gold medal in the Olympics, and you can get Nobel Prizes. Anything, it is with hard work and achievement. And if we set our goals, Pakistan is a beautiful country, it's a great nation, and we can achieve. And this has really boosted the morale of the younger generation, because he came from a very humble background, from the underprivileged class, and look what he's done. In one day, look at his achievement, the respect, the dignity that he has earned. Secondly, I would appeal to the world what is happening in Gaza, in Palestine. I would say that peace should be brought there. The world needs peace. We've had enough turmoil, and all the dignitaries sitting here in the hall today who are among us, I would request them that appeal should be put as sort of an international appeal, not only for Gaza, but all the world is in such a turmoil, and we are heading towards more disasters. A stop should be put, and peace should be brought, and we all should live under harmony. It is idealistic thinking, but sometimes when you have these thinking and thoughts, they can turn into reality. And I hope and pray that all this can turn into reality and the world sees peace at last. So much bloodshed has happened, which is really sad, and we want a change for the better of the youth and the younger generation, not only of Pakistan, but there's a younger generation all over. We are growing, and we want our children to be happy, to have a happy, peaceful life, not this turmoil and not these problems which we are facing today. Madam Chairman, I thank you for the time that you've given me, and I would like to congratulate Arora Saab, our minister, who's organized, and the Pakistan government and Madam Chief Minister for having organized this day, especially for the minorities. And we are all here together, and I congratulate you and everybody sitting in this hall, and especially the minister. I think he's a young man, very energetic, and he's done a lot, and we hope that we have more fruitful results. Thank you ever so much. Thank you, Madam Chairperson. Thank you so much.